Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day, and hey, if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today I'm going to take you to a different level. We are going to make carrot cake. Yes, we're going to make our own carrot cake. So in my previous video I showed you how to make a cream, how to cream, butter and icing sugar. You can use fine sugar like the normal sugar that our cocoa sellers and the regular sugar that we use. You can use brown sugar and any type of sugar that you want. I prefer using icing sugar because it makes the creaming very easy and simple. So with the ingredients, this is my cream, the butter and sugar. So what I will do is I'll add my eggs. As usual, you have to break them into a separate bowl before adding them to your cream, sugar and butter. So as you can see, I'm breaking them into a separate bowl before I'll add them to the mixture. Okay, so I have 4 of my eggs. Don't worry, I'll leave the details of the ingredients in the description section so that you get all the details. So you just stay with me and focus on the process. So this is my carrots. It was blended. This is blended carrot. You can grate it. You can use apple. You can blend apple, watermelon and anything for your cake. But this is strictly carrot cake. So I'm using carrots. This is blended carrots. So I'll add everything. I'll add everything to it. Now I'll add some vanilla extract to give it a nice flavor. I think 2 drops will be fine. Okay, so I'm using carrots because it contains vitamin A, it gives clear vision, and it also boosts the immune system. Yes, you don't know, right? So I'm telling you today. So the carrots will help you boost your immune system, give you clearer vision and nice skin. So my flour will go in now. I'm giving you carrot cake, Kankasa. I don't want to overmix my paste. So our paste is ready. I'm going to transfer it into my cake pan. You can choose any cake pan. You can use any cake pan that you want, being it small or large. You can even use them for muffins. Yes. So this is my cake pan. I'm going to transfer my mixture into it. My people, if you have any comments or suggestion, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section for us. For me, yes, for me. So that I'll know whether what I'm doing you like it. If there are mistakes or corrections, you can do it. I know we have other caterers watching, so please let's all gather around and share ideas. So my oven is already preheated, so I'm just going to put it into it. So let's stay tuned for the end product. Yes, our carrot cake is ready. Yeah, it's still hot, so I have to take my time. Thank you so much for staying with me. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. And yes, the ingredients for this recipe will be left in the description section too as well. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.